We're going to have a look at number 17 from 3.4, which talks about limits at infinity or negative infinity. We have this right here. Remember that we can't really plug the infinity in the beginning, so we're going to have to do some work. So we have to divide by the highest power of x. So in this case, the highest power of x, if you notice, is x to the 6th, right? But remember, x to the 6th is actually inside a square root. So actually, the highest power is just going to be x to the 3rd. So we're going to divide everything by x to the 3rd. We're going to have 1 plus 4x. Wait, I forgot the limit. Limit as x goes to infinity of 1 plus 4x 6 over x to the 3rd all over 2 over x to the 3rd minus x to the 3rd over x to the 3rd. This is going to be equal to... Okay, so in order to be able to simplify this square root, we have to write x cubed as a square root, and we already have it. We have it right here. It's going to be square root of x to the 6th. So let's rewrite that. I'm going to write 1 plus 4x to the 6th over square root of x to the 6th, right? And then this is just going to be 2 over x cubed minus 1. This is going to be equal to, well, now we can actually rewrite this. We can take the x to the 6th on both numbers. Like, we can divide it separately. Let me write it down so you know what I'm talking about. So it's going to be 1 over x to the 6th plus 4x to the 6th over x to the 6th. And then over 2 over x cubed minus 1. That's going to be equal to the limit. And then 1 over x to the 6th plus 4. Okay, I just want to say one thing before we finish. So here I said, notice that x to the 6th is the highest power. Well, I knew that beforehand. I mean, x cubed was going to be the highest power in the end. But just imagine that here in the denominator we had like x to the, I don't know, 8th. That would be the highest power. So you have to keep in mind, like, you have to actually look for the highest power. I told you what it was from the beginning, but you actually have to look for it. Okay, so when we evaluate this, this is just going to tend to go to 0. This is going to tend to 0 like as well. So we're just going to have the square root of 0 plus 4, which is just 4, over negative 1. That's going to be equal to 2 over 1, which is negative 2. So your limit is going to be negative 2.